there. I think, oh, this is quicker than the lap before, but cannot be getting quicker and quicker because otherwise we'll just die. Okay, this is really quick. Oh, fuck. Did I still not nail that cone? How? I still didn't nail that cone. Like, how? That cone has more lives than a cat. Definitely a lot more lives than a cat. That was a bit of e-brake, FYI. Touch of left foot brake in level 2. Too much tree. Okay. Okay, let's do something mad here. Yeah, it's all about being on the grip line, isn't it?